So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life in a Boxing Ring. Tonight we're going to talk a little bit about Delano Tucker and Alex situation, which part I think that if ungrateful was a person, Delano Tucker mother would have go up on the red carpet, go get a Grammy award feat, and then it could have make her rich if I did money. So I'm gonna play the video and I'm gonna let you guys hear, but I'm just giving my piece first, and then you guys can watch the video and then summarize what I go on. So Delano Tucker and him people them used to live in a poverty, alright? So Delano Tucker put it out there. No, him put it out there. A vlogger put it out there for him. It never did reach nowhere. Alex now film TikTok up and running, so therefore him did put it out there for the world see it, and it blew up. When it blew up, we all get to find out say Alex have one little thing going in a community when grown and helping community, which is good because we don't know all the people them don't yard in a parliament stay already. Make we no bother go on like say we want to put that at the back of our head because it in our face, it a rub in our face, especially since the pandemic come in, which part it a beat everybody bad, and the little corner shop them locked down, and the little donut them I used to sell a school gate or something that now go on no more, and all of them something, than the soup them I used to sell a dance at night time, and the peanut them, and the pepper shrimp, and things like that now run no more. You don't know say people man don't yada suffer. So therefore, I think say Alexa want good youth for put it out there pan him YouTube, not pan him YouTube channel, pan him TikTok, for everybody see it, and it blew up. Praise be to God, what a mighty God we serve. And blessed be the foreigners them who live abroad. I me tell people this all the time, and we unu for love and we unu for respect, because at the end of the day, you know of a heap of people in a parliament when I worship. And all I take with the title from God and give them. And at the end of the day, CCTV can solve the murder of a Chinese couple. But at the end of the day, 2 9-year-old dash back at one another. 2 little, no 9-year-old, 1 4-year-old and 1 9-year-old get dash back at one another by the hands of the people that is supposed to be taking care of them. And at the end of the day, CCTV, they bout for one of them all know not solve, and we not hear about you and it dead and it out of the media. So therefore, out of many people, we are one. I saw we motto say, but at the end of the day, unity is strength, so we are divided. And we don't know say nobody now put nothing in place for combat poverty down at that. So at the end of the day, we have to help each other. And at the people them are foreigners who are working at the coal and all of that, and send come down there to the donors them so uno can eat a food. But yet still when we pack up and come back down there, uno rob with what we have. Uno no make we live fi inherit the stuff that we work hard for in the coal or in some small island which part hotter than Jamaica feel like I don't a hell bottom. You understand? Somebody wash car and do all some job what we do and still are sent down there. We are donors, and yet still the people them, the relevant authorities them what do take out of poverty now do it. You get what me I say? And you have MPs where get money and your mafia and live big shot life, I live uptown life, and a press button going after them. Yard well people did they are dead for hungry like Delano Tucker and his family was so sweetie got him go in bed and mother have bad foot in a kitchen and sleep. Slipping and sliding like a Peppa Pig muddy puddle style. You understand? When time rain fall. So this youth named Alex now him live on a bed which part I know bed that a piece of bed because a 4 black wall it up. But yet still, him said to himself, say, yo, no matter how hard my life is, you don't know, somebody out there have it harder than me. So the youth go out there and him recognize, say, yo, I'm a classmate this, and him put him out there and youth get support and stuff. So Alex start, chump up something for him and start the engine and, put on some black and buy ply and food reach and something, and donation that come from foreigners. So all of a sudden we hear on the show say, Alex go up there, and when Alex go up there, just be a bad vibes him and get all of a sudden people in a parliament show up and ray and paper signed by parents, and by the time we for Quint, the little youth them push him out, them push out Alex out of the thing, and them make Miss Lady, they signed the paper, but as far as I'm concerned, fear literacy not really up there 100%, so she better mind she sign with fear life. And them contribute stove to her and something. But the one thing me ask myself, so why Jamaica not build great man, them only kill great man? Because as a little 17-year-old come out now and start the engine and, start chump up the thing. Everybody go hard down Panilka boy and push him out. And I bet them couldn't do that to Blessing after floor and teaching you my cooking skill and a landlord or even girly. Them couldn't do them, but I want like a young youth, you understand? So guess what? Them go walk pan him and take advantage of him. And them people, them only come out, come to them something here. Them not do it from the bottom of their heart. Them, you don't know, so them do this because election time a come round. So at the end of the day, them just, try to build up the vote them. Them not really do them something from the bottom of them heart because where were they before Alex pick up the project? How them never know so the woman not eat and drink well? How them never know so the people in Pitney want things to go back to school? How them never did know so the people in kitchen a Peppa Pig muddy puddle? How them never did know so the rooftop a leak and all of them something there, but as soon as a 17-year-old pick it up, highlight it, put it on the internet, everybody around come. You should have shame on yourself. You should shame on yourself. You should move and go. You feel lift up from your and go. Because you worthless people in a parliament. Because you make a 17-year-old going out there. What in a poverty himself. A cockroach and rat and everything. A creep to film do bottom because film do figure a graveyard. Cockroach and rat, everybody a turn film pet and film bed upon 4 block, but yet still left film poverty line situation and go to help and next somebody were worse than him. When uno sit down pan phone I ask, and now help the people them. Uno should have shame because there are people out there seeing this on the internet. And uno in a parliament they are going like uno nice. And uno never did that help the people them and a 17-year-old of it. And we claim that we are prime minister. We claim that we have MP. We claim that we have leaders, minister this and minister that and minister of devils know what. But yet still what are they doing? What am I do but just a creep and I sell out the country? And just I put things aside for them and their family at the end of the day because you never did that help. And as soon as Delano come, you push out the little youth and take over the project. Yeah? You need for help. Not Delano, excuse me. As soon as Alex come, you push out Alex and take over the project. When Alex himself need help. You understand? 10-year-old, I look them wanna tea bread. Big up yourself, do not talk. You sing that song there. You understand when me try to say, you should have come, come. You shouldn't even come there. You not no shame. You not have no shame. You should have walked with no tail between you no leg like a one dog. You should have never come there. And let me address the situation yes so now with Miss Lady there. When time she come out and come talk about say, sorry for all the confusion, but you know what? We're gonna do things the right way, and they're not gonna build no fool house, give no fool house, give lady way. You know, remember when time Mr. Monday in a green, they claim them that Billy House give the people them. All the sepulchre them down there with the bosses sepulchre. Then when them a bill give them dead love fans nowadays bigger than the house there. When them did a bill and claim say how much millions then spend on it. When you look in the cluster for big one kill you. After you put one good bed in there, you can't even put nothing else in there. Nothing one chair if you sit down if you get visit. Thank you very much. So therefore, Miss sure say yeah, you put them go pack up and like a flock of sheep. Excuse me, love and thanks. Yeah? And that's how the situation is gonna go. And please can remember, say them only a look vote. Because where were they? Then they come like some pop-up shop. You a pop-up prime minister and pop-up member of parliament. Yeah? You only pop up. And look more no disappear and go and a cloud to no come for look out of the situation. Because you well want vote no for go from here so and left the local youth. But once man reach out to Delano. I'm not Delano, Alex. Want somebody to reach out to Alex and want somebody to put him back in a school and take him out of poverty. Draw yourself out of this young youth and leave them. Them a corruption. Me want God to bless you because you have good heart, youth. Trust me. You have good heart. Me want you to get a lot of blessings. But anyway, people, me not go talk too long. Me only want to say, the Miss Tucker is very ungrateful. And if ungrateful was $1 million, you would in a poverty, thank God. Because you're ungrateful, but you come out and you jump out and you big up Everybody, and you never big up the vlogger, you never big up Alex, you never thank them, you understand? You never bless them up, you big up everybody. You can't say so you're one of the die-hearted politician them, which part them can't fool you, like Shibada say, well today we're not thirsty. Thank you very much. You can't say you're a die-hearted politician. Them, no matter what they do, they can't wrong for you. You understand me? I say you need even pick up the youth them. You can't say so somebody a navigator. Sometimes you need even know if you put your words them together. Lord have mercy, man, think me done, but you done, sir. Yeah? You understand me? I say? And that's where me I come from. You're too ungrateful and you shouldn't do it. Give unto Caesar what you unto Caesar. Even if you pull out and we don't say you're ungrateful, you shouldn't treat the youth so. Trust me. No big up, no go to the youth. If the man, if youth never put it out there, if the youth never take it off of the vlogger page, big up the vlogger, big up Alex too. Because if Alex never take it off of the vlogger page and put it on in TikTok, you would be no donor. And if it never blow up on the media, you don't find them like a cockatty people around come over here with their tail between their legs, like when you run dog. You understand? I try to come over there, consider them and help you for clothes. You understand? But anyway, people don't watch the video. It kind of look long, but watch it and tell me what you think. If ungrateful was a person, you would call it Miss Tucker. Thank you very much. Love and thanks. Bye. When you watch the video and make me know what you think.
And because of dirt floor, you get mucky and slippery, and enough time mother almost drop in there. And she
was a little bit younger. It wasn't too hard.
So I tell every day at school, hopes the rain will fall, because if the rain fall, man now wait for cook. Because of outdoor kitchen, and they make out of wood and bamboo, and a dirt floor. So as soon as the rain start fall, all in there wet up. And because of dirt floor, you get mucky and slippery, and enough time mother almost drop in there. And she have a bad foot, so if she drop, you know, good fear. See of that, as soon as the place black up, mother run go cook. No matter how early, if I even 12 o'clock, she run go cook. So because of that, sometimes go to bed without dinner. Because rain falls, so she couldn't get to cook. So, if that happen, and she have sweetie, she give her sweetie and say, suck on this till tomorrow. If that not happen, and she have little sugar, she will give you and make sugar and water and go out of bed.
I have a bad foot. I was in grade 6 and I was to graduate next year, and this year I took sick and I spent 9 months and 3 weeks in the hospital. I was in a wheelchair. I leave from a wheelchair to the 2 walking stick, and then I start physio things from
interact. But me go post on video of one of my past school I used to go, and one of my friend them, me never really know that was him living condition and stuff like that. But me just watch a YouTube video where they interview him and him talk about it. So basically what me ask people on TikTok or whosoever we can help out with the situation, I go post the video now. So all who can help out, just reach out to me and just share up the videos in me. Do that. So basically good. This is Alex Oleka. I'm here with Delano Tucker. So
my name is Delano Tucker and I'm from Springfield and I attend the Girls in High School.
So basically, most of you see the video from post and it go out and I reach out to enough people. I reach out to help and support. So yeah, everything will come forward to me. I gotta be shown to Delano's parents, proof of evidence for everything. So all of you who want support and help out with whatever when you can, when you free, if you just do so by contacting me or Delano himself. So the number I got there down below, so just do what you can do. Okay. So have a nice day. Yesterday, everybody know that we had a cleanup day. We get support from all the media platforms in Jamaica, also alongside with some person who came out to support us. Y'all know who. And this morning I got some very important calls according to the project that we had planned for Delano. Not only Delano, doing good in my community team and the whole organization. We're planning on building a 3-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, a front porch, a dining hall, and a kitchen for Delano and his family. But today when we got there with the architects and stuff, we saw some person there. Same time we went ahead starting to line out and measure and see how much the stuff will cost to complete the project. We saw some persons also there too, and we didn't know who it was, but they noticed me and they called to me and I said hello. When I get to find out it's Hope, Hope the government institution, and they were sent there by the MP. And bear in mind the MP didn't show up none at all from what we start. She never reached out to him, nothing at all. Only the support of people overseas and Jamaica, and we were organizing our stuff. They could have simply reached out to us and tell us they wanted to partnership with we and help to build the foundation and a house for Delano and helping other persons in the community also. But they decide not to. They decide to go behind our backs and go to the person them house early, let them sign up papers and all kind of documents which we never know of. Them could have at least call me and make we know, say, alright, this. So we said to them, say, let's partnership on this and complete the project. They decide no, they don't want no partnership, they will do it all by themselves. So no know what that simple means, say. Mean when they say they want to do it by themselves. So we say, alright, make we complete the project with Delano and help out other person in the community. Then decide no, them not doing that. At Delano them want help, and so for the time being I don't want no one to send any money to my account or anything. Let's just keep it and pause for a little second.
That's the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, and I'm happy to confirm that Delano's tuition on board for the full duration of his studies there will be taken care of. We've also been looking at trying to help with the housing situation. Food for the Poor visited there this morning, and I believe that a new house will be built for them in due course. We will also be doing an assessment of the house to see what we can do in the interim to make it more comfortable for them. And for example, we've already sourced a stove, a new stove.
I want to say the video that is going around it is making a lot of problem for us. We've been getting calls from all over the places, and people are cursing us off about the video. But the Member of Parliament, Miss Kerencia Morrison, she was the first person who contacted us when the video came out, and she has sent her representative to assist the area, and she is going to give us a nice house. She's not going to give us any full house because we see the plan. And the guy that is his name that is doing the blogger, he came here yesterday and saw me signing my name to a piece of paper from that the old gentleman asked me to fill out, and because he see that, he start to curse, and same time he made a video and tell the people then say in see government a take over thing. Wishing we it was Miss Kerencia Morrison who reached out to us first. So I don't like the confusion. I like things to just go as smooth as possible, because we can only do things the correct way, and when you do things the correct way, it will work out properly. So thank you, Miss Kerencia Morrison, for assisting us with the house. And I must say big up to Mr. Cecil Donald and his team, for he is the one who is helping us out, and he has and they have set up an account at the school. So people who like to donate, they can contact the school and do what they want to do. So I'm saying sorry for all the confusion, but we are going with Miss Kerencia Morrison on this. So thank you very much for all your help.